Yes, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Discord. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we go to this window here and you will search about Discord. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord app. Here you can update your app if you find updates, so please don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe.